YouTubers, your boy man Frank XP88 coming at you live. I'm actually buying a full-size full-size bed for my daughter room. I'm actually bought it at Costco. So I just wanted to present it to you guys just in case you guys thinking about getting it. It's like 50 bucks off, so it normally is like 200. I think it went for 150 if I'm not mistaken. Something like that. Anyways, this is the box right here. So it's a full-size 8-inch mattress, great for bunk beds. So I actually took it out. I haven't took it out of the box yet, but this is pretty much what it is in the box. It's actually a gel memory foam. So I'm actually about to take it out of the box. Hold on, give me a second. This box is kind of a big box. It's not that big, but so I got this plastic on there. Mattress warranty, 20 years. That's cool, 20 years warranty. What's up? Let's see. So I got this clear plastic on here. I'll take this thing off real quick. One thing I do like about Costco's is that you could always return it. But and then as soon as you take this off, it should start picking up. We're not picking up, but stop deflating. So, give me 1 second. I'm about to see if I can put the phone down like this. I don't know if you guys can see me or not. Which way is top, which way is bottom? So it fits. Let me try to even this out, mess it up. I threw this up on top. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but pretty much I threw it up. I keep the plastic on just for right now because I know the kids gonna be jumping on. But yeah, that's the right way. Take a look outside. How nice it is, right? It's a beautiful day in Southern California. Anyways, but yeah, and I also bought this sheets too at Costco's. This for the it's pretty cool. It was a full set. You got your 4 standard pillows, full size set, 6 pieces, 100% cotton sheets. So pretty cool. I bought this for my daughter. So trying to find it. Oh, here what it's going to be. Here it is. So let me just put this on right now. Give me a second. I know the sun is in the way. See? I don't know if you're able to see straight, but let me do it like that. So yeah, so as you can see, it's actually getting a lot thicker too. So should be good. Let me see what way does this go. This is the right way. seems alright. There we go. That's the right way. I wasn't sure if you guys could see that, but yeah, this is the bed. See how thick it is now? Pretty comfortable. So it's gonna be 8-inch. This looks about 8 inches. So yeah, man, check it out. It's pretty comfortable on here. So let's take a look at this box real quick. So, too much pressure. So it just labels your body the way it goes. So should be good. Got your little handprint. But you can't see it here, but I'm trying to see where is it. Oh, it's right here. So soft, firm. So we're more over here. Too much pressure. So I don't know. But yeah, it feels comfortable. Oh yeah, this feels great, man. But anyways, I just wanted to show you this Nova foam from Costco's. I think it's $150 right now. Normally it's like $200 for the 8-inch support, which is not bad. It's real easy cleaning up. Pretty much all it is this wrapper. Throw it in the box. Throw the box away or recycle it. 20-year warranty. Pretty dope. But anyways, write down the comment down on the bottom. Let me know your guys' thoughts, what you guys think about it. And I catch you guys around. In the meantime, bow!